Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel I do protective hairstyle for kids, I do DIYs, I do a lot of things, so please consider hitting that subscribe button down below so you can join the family. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can relax and shave your rough eyebrows. Yeah, that's what I'll be showing you guys how to do today. Yeah guys, as you all can see, my eyebrows are very rough. Look the way they've grown. They are very rough, so I'll go ahead and relax them before I will shave them. The reason why I relax them is for them to come out very well, to lay very well. Okay, but relaxing it is not a must. You can choose to skip that process. Okay, it's not a must. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, I will start by using this relaxer. Just for me relaxer, I use this on my daughter. So this is the remaining one. I've already mixed it, but I will go ahead and apply it on my eyebrow. Then after applying it, I will leave it for like say 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll wash it off. Then I'll proceed with the shaving. So let's do that. So I will use this to take a little amount of it, not much. Then I'll go ahead and apply it. Like I said, this process is not a must. Okay, you can choose to skip this process. I'm doing this because my eyebrows are very rough. They grow very rough. Okay guys, so if you have a well laid eyebrow, you don't need to do this. You don't need to do this. I know some of you will say, hey, is this not dangerous? Is this not gonna burn your face or whatever? No, it's not going to. I will not leave it for a long period. I will not leave it for a long time. Okay, just 3 to 4 minutes and I'm done. I'll wash it off. You can choose to go ahead and shave your eyebrow without applying this, but I do this because mine is very rough. Yeah, that's why I like doing this before I shave it. And it's not all the time, not always. I do this once in a while. So I'm done with this side. I will now move over to this one. I will do the same thing. I will use my hand to help it lay very well. You can see what I'm doing. I'm using my hand to flatten all the hair. This is not a must. Oh, this is not a must. You can skip this process. Okay, so now I'm done. I will wait for 3 to 4 minutes. I will go and wash it off. Okay, I have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes, then I'll wash it off. So guys, this is 3 minutes later. You all can see they are laid very well now. I'll go ahead and wash it off. And yes, it's not burning me. I'm not feeling any burn. Okay, you can see it. My eyebrow is laid very well now. So I'll go ahead and wash it off, then I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I've washed it off. And as you guys can see, it's now laid very well. Yeah, so now I'll go ahead and shave it, and to shave it I will use razor blade. So first I will use this comb to brush it. You guys can see the way it's relaxed now. You all can see that. You can see the difference. You all can see that. You can see the difference. So now to shave, I'll start from under. If you're finding it difficult to shave, you can use eye pencil to draw out the ones you want to shave out. That's if you're finding it difficult to shave without maintaining the same line or the same shape either. As you can see, I've shaved under. I'll go ahead and trim the excess ones on top. And after doing that, I will also go ahead and shave the upper line. I don't like shaving off everything. I like to shave my eyebrow in a way that I can still go out without applying without using eye pencil. You all can see now it's beginning to take the right shape. Did you see how beautiful it's coming out? So now I'll brush it down and trim the excess ones. So guys, this is it. It's so easy and simple. I'm done with this part. How is it looking? How is it looking? Look at the line. Look at the other side. You can see the difference. You can see the way my eyebrow, you can see the way it's well laid now. If I didn't relax it before doing this, it's not going to come out like this because I have a very rough eyebrow. Yeah, that's why I always relax it before I do this. So I'm done with this side. I will move over to this side and I will do the same thing I did on this side. I'll start from the under. Like I said, if you don't want to make a mistake, use eye pencil to trace out the places you want to shave off before shaving, okay? But I don't need to I don't need to do that because I already know where to shave off. Now go ahead and do this, then shave the upper side. Brush it upward, then trim the excess ones. Okay, I'm done with this side, and you all can see the outcome. So guys, this is it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this method. Okay, this is it. I'm done. So this is the picture before and now. So tell me which one you prefer. Okay, and please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and all that, and I'll see you all in my next video.